Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epidemic Sound in Final Cut Pro. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, it is actually pretty easy. You can just go ahead and browse through the music right here, or the catalog. Find your music. For example, we have here under moods, happy. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you can go ahead and click on preview right here to each music that is suggested. And if you're happy with it, go ahead and click on download, and then download the full mix, or just download the zip file that includes the full mix, melody, instruments, bass, and drums. But if you just want to download the drums only or the bass only, you can go ahead and select this option. Okay. So once you're happy with it, click on download. Wait for the process to finish, save it wherever you want. Then go ahead and go to your sound effects if you want to include sound effects to your editing. Okay. For example, you wanted to add some swooshes right here. Listen to it. Click on download. Download. Now you could also download some voices or voiceover. For example, I would like to use Melissa right here. Just click on select. And then once done, go ahead and add in your text. Okay. For example, how to use Epidemic Sound, just like so. Click on create voiceover, select the language right here and the speed. If not, just leave it. Now, go ahead and listen to it. And if you like it, click on download. Wait for download page to pop up, save it. And then once done, you can now then go ahead and open up Final Cut Pro and then just drag and drop the audio. And after that, just like how you do it on any other video editing software, cut it however you want. Move it. As you can see here, I can't use Final Cut Pro because I'm using Windows. Okay, so that's just basically it. That's how to use Epidemic Sound for Final Cut Pro. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.